everybody, it's me, Angela from Quilting Is My Therapy with your weekly video update. I know it's been a couple weeks since the last video update, but you know, things have been getting a little crazy out here. Honestly, if I'm being truthful, I was a little bummed out about closing the shop. I know it's important to keep safe. Having to close the shop was a little bit of an ordeal. But anyway, I'm back now and I'm here to help get us all through this crazy time. And today's featured product is Tula Pink's HomeMade fabric collection. I think that's such a fitting title for such a time as this. So Becky has been busy making beautiful bundles of the fabric, the little fat quarter bundles. And we even have a shop sample of the Decorative Stitches pattern using her fabric collection. Now this particular quilt was actually pieced and quilted by Irene DeLay of Happy Fun Quilts, and we have it available as a kit. We've made a few slight changes to the kit as opposed to what it's shown on the actual cover of the pattern. Instead of using a print in the background, we've opted for some really beautiful solids. This is actually a light green, and it seems a little crazy, but when you see it in the context of the quilt, it's perfect. Those beautiful prints that Tula Pink designed just pop right off of it. So a light and a dark solid to go with that beautiful fat quarter bundle. One thing I really love about this quilt pattern is it's almost like a sampler. The blocks themselves are easy to put together. It's the color placement that really makes the pattern shine. So I think you'll have a lot of fun making this beautiful quilt, and you'll definitely have a lot of fun quilting it. Irene did an amazing job with the quilting, and having quilted one of these myself for Tula Pink, I know that it is a lot of fun. We do have the kit available for purchase, but not in the shop. Of course, we are closed right now, but that doesn't mean that you can't still get your quilting therapy fix. We have all the products on the website, and you can also call the shop, and Becky will be here to answer any questions, even ship out an order that you need. Think of it as a guided shopping experience. And speaking of Becky, she has put together the cutest Club Carryall project for April. Now, if you remember, our Club Carryall project normally comes with a sew day. This is going to be your own sew day because obviously we won't be gathering. This month's Club Carryall box includes all the fabric and notions needed to make 2 of these adorable little boxes. Cute little zipper, and you open it up to a fun lining fabric. Just think of all the little things you can keep in here for Easter, quilting notions, stay-at-home survival kit. I mean, no, a bottle of wine won't fit in here, but chocolate will, so that's really good idea. So we do have some of these kits available as well online, so you can have everything for a quick, fun little project. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this week's Quilting Is My Therapy video update. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon with another video. Happy quilting.